Hello, everyone. Welcome to Trade Ideas and today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. My name is Barry Anderson. Well, first of all, this is awesome when a plan comes together. So first of all, this was an AI alert at 697, our AI, okay? But look what happened. You get an alert at 697, and it was right here. This was on the opening, the second 15-minute candle. And it chopped around, it chopped around. It actually went all the way down here, came up and down. I was talking about this in the room, and I kept saying, guys, please watch this if it takes out 7 again. Okay, see how it did? It got up to 706 here, 706 here, 706 here, about 714 here. But I kept saying, watch it if it takes out 7 again. So this is the 12:30 15-minute candle, and I had a price alert. You can't see it anymore, but I had a price alert just around 710. Oh, in fact, there it is, 714. Okay, that's that green line that was there. That was a blue line when I put the price alert in. And I was very fortunate. This was during my lunchtime or my lunch break. And I was downstairs. I was getting an apple. I came back up and I saw this candle forming. I got the price alert, but it was also on volume. Okay, it wasn't just about getting an alert. As I always say, you want to get a price alert, but you also want to see it happening on volume. So anyway, the bottom line is this has turned out to be just an absolutely awesome trade from our AI. Many of our other scans, of course, are picking it up. Any sort of momentum scan that you have would have picked this up, but our AI picked it up here. But you had to wait. You just have to have some patience. Put a price alert at a certain level, and if it took it out on volume, you should hop in the trade, and that's exactly what happened. So what a great end of the week for me anyway. That turned out to be just a fantastic trade. So have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you on Monday.